This video demonstrates how to remove the cover of the LiftMaster Industrial DC Commercial Door Trolley and Hoist Style Operator, model JDC, JHDC, and TDC. These products are not for residential use. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. The cover of the operator can be removed for easy access. Loosen the screws on the cover. Raise the operator vertically until the screws clear the board box. Open the cover between 45 and 70 degrees and tap to remove. Visit support.partner.liftmaster.com to learn more about how to get the most out of LiftMaster products with MyQ Facility.